The flute and piccolo. The flute. The flute is a member of the woodwind family of instruments. The flautist makes a sound by blowing across an embouchure hole. Early flutes had only about 6 finger holes, but modern flutes use the mechanical keys that allow the player to control 16 holes. The mechanical key system for the flute was invented by Theobald Bohm in 1847. Professionals play flutes made of silver. Less expensive instruments are made from nickel-plated brass. The parts of the flute. We have the foot joint, the keys, finger holes, body, head joint, lip plate, and the embouchure hole. Here is an example of what the flute sounds like. And here's an example of what the flute sounds like when the performer uses vibrato. The piccolo. It is a small flute. It is about half the size of a regular flute. And this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Piccolos can be made of metal like the flute, but they can also be made from grenadilla wood, and this is the same wood that is used to make expensive clarinets. Piccolos produce a very high, piercing tone. The orchestra usually only has 2 flutes in it, and uses the piccolo only when it is needed. This is an example of a piece by Mozart, which is the concerto for flute, and it's supposed to be harp, not harpsichord, sorry. Here it is.